In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Xbox controller to Mac with USB. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly use your Xbox controller on your Mac device. This is going to work for MacBook or any other personal computer that you have. You will be able to use a cable, so this way you will have no input latency and you can play any game that supports controllers on your Mac. To do this, you will have to use a USB-C to USB-C cable. So most Xbox controllers nowadays will have a USB-C port. If you notice, however, that your controller doesn't, then you will have to use something else, possibly micro USB. So the very first thing that you should do is take a look into the port of the controller and determine if it is micro USB or USB-C. Like I said, most modern controllers will have USB-C because it is this very oval shape like this. Now, once you have determined which port you have on your controller, all that you have to do is gather the proper connector. So, like I said, for modern controllers, it is going to be USB-C to USB-C. So you plug one end of this cable into the controller and then another one into your Mac. So most MacBooks will have 2 or even more USB-C or rather Thunderbolt ports, and you can just plug them here. Don't worry, even if these ports are called Thunderbolt on the manual, or when you look at the side of your MacBook, they are still going to recognize USB-C devices, including the Xbox controller. Once it is properly connected and you open a game that supports controller inputs, you will be able to play it using the Xbox controller. So there's no need to download any additional tools, there's no need to do setup, just connect it like this and it is going to be usable natively. If it doesn't work, the game that you are trying to play possibly doesn't have controller support. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Xbox controller to Mac with USB. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.